I just got off the phone with Jack Black. He's leading us to go to Jumanji 6.
We gotta get a replacement quick.
Grab everybody you can except for that weird pizza guy. All he does is drives us with pizza, and he doesn't even know how to act.
I'll do what I can, but I don't think we could get that many people on such short notice. Okay, I set up the auditions. They'll be here in an hour.
We don't have a second to spare.
I heard you guys need a new actor. I brought pizza.
Did you bug our office?
Maybe.
Security!
Get out of here, bud. This is the third time this week. Go ahead and start.
Oh, crap! Whoa! Bad one.
Next.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how much I watch.
I don't know Twinkle.
Next. You need a pizza, 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 pizza.
Security, what the heck am I paying you for?
But he gave me pizza.
Next.
Cut!
Next.
Wait, you're the pizza guy.
Uh-uh.
You're still holding the pizza box.
Maybe we should give him a shot.
What?
He's our last hope.
Fine. Pizza guy, show us what you got.
To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer, slings of arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing end them.
That was amazing. You got the part.